Hello, in this video we're replacing the tub spout with the diverter. Here are the pieces that came with the replacement. We went ahead and installed it directly to a pipe that we'll solder in later on. This is an unusual situation. We have Sharkbite that's holding this spout to the wall. Normally there would be a set screw that you could access through that hole. That would be on the bottom or 6 o'clock position. It might be a Allen head, something like that. So go ahead and check it out. You might have to take a picture with your phone or look underneath there with a flashlight and see if you can go ahead and remove that set screw and just slide this assembly off. Ours was a little bit more difficult, different situation. Had to use a hacksaw to remove this and access the Sharkbite. Here's the tool that I had to use to go ahead and squeeze that fitting to relieve that and release the Sharkbite from the pipe. Went ahead and soldered in a new pipe, put a cap on it for testing. Go ahead and turn the water back on in the house, check it for any leaks. Turn the valve on, and no leaks present. To turn the water back off again from shower head mode, go back to tub mode, relieve all the water that normally would relieve itself. So go ahead and remove the testing cap and we'll install the new spout. So hopefully this video will help you out. Before we go ahead and put the spout on, we'll put a little Teflon tape over top of those threads to seal that joint. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any comments? Here's the typical section that would go inside. We measured it from the wall. And that's what it inserts inside the spout. Go ahead and assemble the spout and then test it from shower to spout mode. And it should go ahead and that handle should just drop down. That little pull handle on the spout itself and then relieve itself. So we'll snug this up and align it. And then afterwards we'll put a little silicone caulking over the top portion of it so nothing gets down the inside of the wall. After that's secure, we'll go ahead and turn the water on. It'll come out of the spout. Put a little handle up to divert it over to the shower head. Increase the pressure a little bit more. Then shut off the water and you can see it relieves itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe